if you have a PDF document, then you can actually go ahead and upload out that PDF document so that you can go ahead and ask contents out of it as well, or any other document for that matter. So let's say, for example, I got this particular PDF file. So I'm just going to go around and say, remember the contents of this PDF file right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, it'll actually go ahead and read, and it says, I've noted the contents of the PDF. Here's a quick summary of what's in it: the news today, the publication, the date, and author, and byline, and so forth right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around over here, I can see, like, let's say, for example, tell me what is in page 2. So if I were to go ahead and tell that out right here, then what happens is that it says, here's what on page 2 of the newsletter. So there's the header, there's the top section, main article, right column, bottom banner section right here, and it summarizes out the content right here. So that is basically how you can actually go ahead and upload out a PDF and then ask contents out of it right here easily and talk to your PDF using Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe